Okay, so welcome back, beautiful people. Our hair is nice and moisturized. We are finished with our wash day routine, and the only thing we need to do is style our hair. Because these little baby tune-out buns cute, but they not going outside the house worthy, okay? I think I want to try a new style on me, and while I do that, I want to try a new product on me, okay? And the product that I want to try is the very much hyped Style Factor Edge Booster. If you have been watching the YouTube tutorials, you know everybody and their mama have been talking about this edge control. They say that this is the best edge control ever. It actually holds your edges down, and I want to see if what's popping. I want to see if it's true. If you want to see my review of this while we go ahead and slap some cornrows in our head, some cute cornrows, go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing we need to do is clean up this parting situation, but basically we need to make sure that this middle part is crispy and not like crunchy. Crispy and not crunchy. I don't know what the heck I just said. If you have anyone to help you, now will be the time to ask for their assistance. Shout out to my sister. Follow her on Instagram at JaiChanellie. Okay, so now we are going to make 3 braids on the side.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Girl, I wasn't talking to you. We are back and we have our cart. Now, the second thing that I'm going to do is going to be the most important part of this style, and that is going in with our Style Factor Edge Booster. So I'm taking some of this Edge Booster. It's not as thick as I thought. Definitely feels water-based. But I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it on my edges, and then we're going to try to swoop the edges with our handy dandy toothbrush. So this is really like not malleable. Like I literally feel like I'm gluing my edges to my head. Okay, so that's what we have so far. I don't really know if I really did anything. We might have to come back to that.
So now we are starting the braiding process. I am just installing 3 cornrows on each side to total 6 cornrows. As you can see, I'm not a professional cornrower in any capacity, so this is definitely not a cornrow tutorial. I am just kind of feeling my way through, closing my eyes, and trying to get a decent looking cornrow. So on the right, you see me installing that very first cornrow. On the left, you actually see me touching up the second cornrow. This is like a week post installation. So again, I did 3 cornrows on each side. The part's just going straight back. Nothing special, nothing fancy. But that's all it is. And again, I hope watching this helps you, but this is not a tutorial, so my bad, girl. But I'm sure they have some cornrow tutorials somewhere else on the internet.
We still haven't gotten these edges together. And that was kind of like the whole point of the style. So I am going to go ahead and apply some more of this Edge Booster. That even though I laid the hair over here down, it's not like laid. Like it looks like it's about to come up. So patty cases. I can honestly say the toothbrush does not work with this. That's what makes me nervous. This is not cutting it. I'm not liking this. What I'm gonna do is put this scrub on. I'm gonna let these edges marinate. I'll come back to y'all after I've done some thinking. So your girl has 1 pack of spring twist. This is not spring twist. 1 pack of passion twist hair left. And like maybe we can do a little bun action in the back, you know? Taking the passion twist hair. I'm separating the strand at the loop. Separating it all the way down. Taking this ponytail holder. Putting one side through, and I'm literally just tying a knot. Very loose knot. I'm going to take these 3 braids right here.
Okay, y'all, I'm back. Just giving you a little bit more details about what I just did. I attached 10 pieces of passion twist hair to each ponytail. So I made 2 ponytails from this 1 pack of hair. I'm literally just wrapping it around, creating a bun, but you do not have to make a bun if you don't want to. You can also wear this in a ponytail style and in a really long braid style, which I'll show you here. Okay, switch it up, be creative.
We'll let the edges marinate for a little minute. They still look pretty crusty dusty. This Style Factor Edge Booster, I would give this like a 3 out of 5. Like, it wasn't terrible, but I definitely would use like my Eco Styler to do my edges. I wouldn't use this. I would do my Eco Styler first, and then if I wanted like some extra hold, I would just slick this on top of it. But nonetheless, this is the final look. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. We are on a journey to 10K. You can help us get there. Also, like this video so YouTube can share with other people. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.